How to make an angle grinder stand holder. Using this homemade technology, you can cut pipes, angles, channels, and more. Millions of people don't know about this homemade tool. This video will show you step by step how to make it from scrap materials and scrap metal. And you'll see how easy it is. What scrap materials you will need: steel channel bar. Cut off a piece of the channel bar with an angle grinder. The size of the cut piece should match the size of your angle grinder. Drill holes in the side of the channel bar. These holes are needed for fasteners. Cut threads in the holes. Now you need to make a slot for the bolt that will adjust the angle of the cut. First, drill holes at the edges of the slot. Make a slot between the holes with an angle grinder. The slot should be at such a distance from the edge of the channel bar that the nut of the adjusting bolt does not turn. Attach the metal support bracket at a 90-degree angle. To do this, drill through the bracket and the channel bar. And fasten the bracket with bolts and nuts. Now weld 2 metal blocks of the same height to the channel bar. The blocks will serve as a support for the rotating part of the mechanism. Weld a short piece of pipe and a nut to the blocks. The pipe piece and nut must be on the same axis. Attach the support fasteners with bolts. Install the adjustment bolt. Cut off the required size from the piece of rebar. Use an angle grinder to make a recess for fastening in the rebar. Weld the fastener. Weld a piece of pipe to the other end of the rebar. Attach the angle grinder to the resulting lever. The inner diameter of the tube welded to the lever must match the diameter of the support bolt. Install the support bolt and tighten the limiting nuts. Creative hack and useful DIY assembled. Now we will show you how to cut any product at a 90-degree angle and at any other angle.